Hey there! If you're looking out for something healthy breakfast that is quick and easy, to try this instant Jowar Dosa along with some coconut chutney. Detailed recipe is mentioned below, so let's get cooking. To begin with, in the mixie jar, I'll be adding some curds, that's Dahi. Be adding some Rawa, semolina, and some Jowar Atta, Jowar flour. We're also adding little salt. You can add that as per taste. And just adding little water at the time. I'll be grinding this into a smooth paste. So I've used about 1¼ cup of water to grind this into a paste. Make a lump-free batter and the texture should be like this. Make sure that it is not too very thick or too very runny. Once this is done, let this rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the coconut chutney. I've taken some roasted peanuts too. You can take the raw peanuts, just roast them and use it. Just add all the ingredients into a mixie jar. I'll also be breaking the chilies and adding some fresh coriander leaves into it. You can also add in a little lemon juice or tamarind and grind this with just a little water. Now this is ready, let's prepare the tadka for it. I've just added about 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we'll be adding mustard seeds, that is rye. Let it crackle. Add in 2 red chilies and a few curry leaves too. And now we just pour this hot tadka over the prepared chutney and give it a stir. In place of roasted peanut, you can also add roasted chana dal, that is also called as Dhalya. This coconut chutney tastes good with dosas and idlis too. Now after 10 minutes in the dosa batter, we will just add in a little water. I just rinsed the jar and put little water and added some baking soda. Now just stir this well just for a few seconds. And our dosa batter is ready. You can just check out the consistency. Now there's no need to wait. You make your dosas immediately. For that I've heated the pan and just sprayed a little oil. To get the dosas with lots of holes in it, the pan should be quite hot. Add in the dosa batter and just spread it a little. And now you can lower the flame to medium and let this cook for about a minute. Once the top of the dosa gets dry, the Jowar Dosa is ready and you can take it out of the pan. This is so instant and fast and does not require much cooking too. These dosas turn out really soft and tasty and pairs beautifully with the coconut chutney. These are perfect for busy mornings or when you want to add something healthy without spending many hours in the kitchen. So if you enjoy simple, traditional and healthy Indian recipes, do give this Jowar Dosa recipe a try. These can be added to your kids' tiffin box as well. Do comment below if you like this recipe and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next one too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.